Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, March 6th. I want to talk a little bit about mulch. I went ahead and rescued 4 more cabbages, 99 cents a piece. They were on the table with the tomatoes and peppers that froze the other night. I don't think they knew they were just giving these away. I couldn't just leave them sitting there, so let's go ahead and get some in the garden. But this gives us a really good opportunity to talk about how to plant and mulch. So come on, let's plant. See, and these have been abused a little bit. Got a couple leaves that are getting kind of yellow, and they hadn't watered them, so I think I rescued them just in time. But if you have some yellow leaves, like that, just go ahead and pinch them off. It won't hurt the plant at all. Okay, so in the mulch, I did have a question. Can you plant in the mulch? Well, that doesn't make any sense. There's nothing for the roots to get a hold of. So you want to take this down to bare soil. I also had questions about seeds and stuff coming up and sprouting in the hay. You see, I've only taken a couple inches off, and take a look at this. Right here is a great example of fungus. You can see this is breaking down. So it's breaking down the seeds that are in here already. You may get a seed or two that germinates and comes up. It's not going to have a root structure that makes any difference. You can just pop that out. Then it becomes part of the mulch. You were here with me when we set up these cold frames, and I had mulch all the way up to the top. And it's already broken down 3/4 on those straw bales. So while I take this down to soil, let's just pile that up over there. We're just going to make a row. But you want to take that. Now we're down into the wood chips. We want it just bare soil. Now if you look how nice this is, I can dig into that with my hands. Yeah, I needed to rescue these. But you want to go ahead and plant those roots down into the soil. And then like everything else, you just backfill in around it. And I tried to dig the hole just as small as I can. That's nice. Some people rough up the roots. You can do that. I find it's not necessary. See, that's got a leaf that needs to come off. And that's already come off pretty much. If you're going to pinch leaves off, pinch them off clean, or take a little scissors and cut them. You don't want to hurt the stem. Ah. Look at that, wood chips. Wood chips. Good thing about the deep mulch, you just toss it off to the side. It becomes part of the deep mulch. Don't want a whole lot of wood chips down in here. So then just look at it, clean up the leaves that need cleaned up. Spring is still 14, 15 days away. We still could get a frost. The nice thing is I moved 4 or 5 inches of mulch just to get these down to bare soil. And if it does get cold over the next couple weeks, I can just set a screen in here, add some hay on top, and they'll be good to go. And they are cabbages after all, and they will take it down to like 29 degrees pretty easy. But now that we've given them a drink, let's go ahead and get a little mulch back in around them. And as they get a little bigger, we'll just add some more mulch in around them. Remember, the ground wants to stay covered. And there you go. I so do want to start planting. And I hope that answered a few more questions about mulch. It's really that easy. You just lay it on the ground, move it out of the way, plant, move it back, and go on. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.